Good morning, team. I am just completing a lazy Sunday afternoon watching all of my sports teams lose. Couple that with last night's Michigan Wolverines loss, and it's been a pretty miserable weekend. But I'll tell you what I am looking forward to is Employee Appreciation Week, which starts tomorrow morning, which is actually today because I'm forwarding this video out today. And this is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to do a lot of things around basically recognizing all of you. So first and foremost, I want to thank you for what great year we've had so far. I'm going to be going into my ops review on Tuesday and talking about the results we've had. We're up 10% year over year in terms of our net activity, and we've got strong tablets and a lot of things that we get to talk about in the review with Chris Barron. And like I always have told you guys, it's when we're in these reviews, it's basically the things I get to present are the things that you guys bring to the table. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to present a good story, and hopefully fourth quarter we'll keep it strong and deliver a lot more than what the Tigers and the Lions and the Michigan Wolverines brought yesterday. So I fully anticipate that. But aside from all the great things you guys do, and we're always pushing for a higher gear, and we're always, the pressure's always on, right, to get higher numbers, and you guys always deliver. But aside from that, I appreciate that you guys not only do great things in the field, but you're also great people to work with. We have a lot of fun. All the group meet things that go on and the banner back and forth. And you think of Traverse City or some of the things when we pull the team together. We just have a lot of fun. And anytime I'm out in the field with you guys, I enjoy it. Unfortunately, I don't get to work with you individually as much as I would like to, as much as I spend with my managers, who, by the way, I also appreciate very much and also great people to work with. And I do get to spend quite a bit of time with them, but the time I do get to spend with you guys, it's great, and I love being a part of this channel and a part of the team we've become. And I think that camaraderie shows in things like volleyball, where we've been able to pull together as a team, and not just in the work stuff, but just also being fun people to work with. So thank you for that. We're gonna have a fun week. We're gonna have some lunches. We're gonna have I'm gonna have a couple of roundtables this week in Detroit and Grand Rapids. We're going to have some more videos posted this week and really just celebrate the things that you guys do, and you'll see more from the Midwest area as well. So thank you very much. We're going to enjoy the week. I'll see a lot of you out there this week, and I'm sure we'll see some fun stuff and videos and lunches and everything else, and really take advantage of the week. So thank you very much, and we'll talk to you throughout the week.